Okay, so I was watching this teacher on YouTube and she was talking about a sorting activity that you can give as an assignment to students in Google Classroom. And in the sorting activity, she showed exactly how you can make a worksheet using Google Slides. And it was just a one-page slide where the students would actually sort different things. So I wanted to do like a virtual behavior chart. So I used that same concept that she talked about in that video. So I'm about to go over exactly what I did so that you can make your own. So all I did was I opened up a new Google Slides, and for each slide, I added this background picture that you can see for each level on the clip chart. So I just went to image, and then I used outstanding choices as the image for this one. For the background, great choices, ready to learn, think about it, and then 5 for the office. And I actually got these pictures off of Google. Okay, so the reason I put them as background is so that when you do start moving clips, you don't actually disrupt this picture, because if you know anything about using Google Slides, sometimes you could click on something and you don't intend to click on it and you accidentally move the wrong thing. So in this case, you don't want that to happen because this is the virtual clip chart. Okay, so I want to talk about the clips. So this is a picture of a clothespin that I got off of Google. So what I did is I cropped it down. And then what you're going to need to do is take a blank one and go import it into Paint. And then once you import it into Paint, you need to make sure you rotate it, because this one was vertical. So I had to rotate it horizontally. And then you click on the text box, and you're gonna want to use a pretty big font and go bold. So I'm just gonna write test. This will obviously be the student's name, and then however many students you have, you need to do this for each student. Okay, so after you put their name on here, then you want to go ahead and save that. I'm going to save this on my desktop as Y. Okay, I have it saved on my desktop. So I'm going to click back in here, and then I'm going to insert upload from computer. Find it on my desktop, which is this one right here. And once you import it into Google Slides, it's going to be really big. So if you have a lot of students, you're going to have to find a way to resize these so that you can fit all your students on here. I don't have a lot, so I should be able to fit all of my students from the right to the left. But just an idea for you, if you do have a lot of students, you could do it like this. You can try to put the students all around here. If you can't, just put them on the edge right there. Okay, so you have your students' names up here, and you can present your screen and let them see, okay, everybody is ready to learn. So say a student acts up and you want to move their clip down. Then you click on their clip and then you cut it. And then scroll down and then you click inside and paste. And it'll be right there. So you can show the entire class while you're presenting, okay, this person is on Think About It, so get your act together. All right, that's my quick little presentation on the virtual behavior chart. I hope that this helps teachers. I have no idea if this is going to work in the virtual class setting, but it's worth giving it a try. And it at least is a visual for the students.